Guys, welcome back to Wolverine Gaming. So, season one celebration is going on, and today is the Valentine's Day event starting. And if you go to the Valentine's Day event, you'll get like chocolates. First, you can claim the all timeless love rewards from here, like cocoa beans, rose tokens, timeless love battle points. You can purchase full pass for whatever your price is in your country. So you can see there is a chocolate party just like Halloween event and Thanksgiving event. So you just need to craft a chocolate, or you can send that crafted chocolate to your teammates. You can see, click on the craft chocolate, and if you have that cocoa beans, you can craft the chocolates from here. Just click on the craft, and boom, you can see we got 4 chocolates. And then you can go to the chocolate star. So you can see there are lots of people have sended me chocolates that can be converted into these boxes. So that is also good. You can open it from here, and you can see we got 90 charisma points and 18 gift box tokens. So you can go to the chocolate party, and the crafted chocolates can be sent via send gift options in here. So you can select anyone from your server or your alliance. Okay, you can also send cross zone um, alliances or members, or you can send alliance members some chocolates. Like, just go to the gift section from here and send chocolates or whatever, like flowers or these rockets if you have. So I'm gonna send one like this. You can send your friends. So I'm gonna send it to whoever have sent to me, or you can send your favorite persons from here or active persons from here. So that's how you can send the chocolates. Okay, so there is a gifting leaderboard given in here, so you can see how much ranking you have. Like, I have 452 ranking right now. So there are also rewards for these events. So you can see from 1 to 100 top will get some rewards like 50 shots, some frame, and some ores. So you can try to be in top 100 and get these rewards for gifting. Okay, so you can read also rules from here, the basic rules, and you can see how to play. Kill zombies to collect cocoa beans, use cocoa beans to craft chocolate gifts and gifts. uh, like I said, you can read all these rules and play according to you. So you can see your gifts sent by you. So click on the chocolate star, and you can always get some rewards from here for completing the boxes, and it will fill your other reward boxes. And you can get gift box tokens, charisma points, and other rewards like 1 hour speed ups and etc. And whenever you complete this, you can share to world chat or your alliance, and you can see your charisma rating in here and in your cross zone. Okay, so this is the charisma rating. Make it 5 star, and you'll be popular. Go to the lucky rose, and you can have 2 spins for free first time, and you can obtain one from here plus button. Claim it, and you can use it from here spin button, and you'll get lucky. So you can see I got some prize. I have two more, so I'll use it. And we got three ceramics, and let's see, again three, and I got some more rewards in here. I can claim from here. Complete daily limited task, and you can claim these rewards. You can see there are lots of shards and boxes, so I'm gonna claim it. And there is a Valentine's Day store. You can redeem whatever you have vouchers. So you can see there are ores, exp boxes, speed ups, drone data, shards, universal components. There are nameplates. There is also Legend of Neon, the skin permanent, and there are other choice skins from here. If you got 9.99 vouchers, Valentine's Day vouchers, and you can get a heart flare special effect from here also. Okay, so you can go to the Valentine's Day gift if you have purchased the pass, and also claim these rewards in here. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.